and welcome my friend. And next I like to show you that where is BMW 300 series this windshield wiper motor and how it works and how we can replace that. And there is now bonnet area, and this is like engine's left side, and now I have taken these covers away and we can see first wiper arm and there's second wiper arm, and below in here we can see those wiper arms motor and these steel bars. And let's look closer. And really now I have removed in here these plastic covers. This is like left side this front suspension in engine bay area. There's brake, this brake calipers, this hydraulic system and ABS control unit. And in here is normally plastic cover, but I have removed, and this is left side windshield wiper arm, and here is this windshield wiper motor. We can see this black one, and there are those bolts. Actually, when we open these bolts in here, there is that first one is in here, and then second one is in that area in here. Here is this bolt what we need to replace, and then this windshield wiper motor arms, and this motor is easy to install, remove and replace. And there is this connector what is easy to clip in here, this black one. Okay, and this was this information that where is BMW 300 series windshield wiper motor and how we can replace that in very basic way, those bolts positions. And this is really easy to move out if you have any issues in windshield wiper motor.